Hello, art lovers. Welcome to the Art Bit. In today's edition, we are talking contemporary visual art. We're going to be having a chat with James Tambula, who is a Malawian, pure Malawian contemporary visual artist. We're going to be having a chat, learning to know more about his art, his craft, as well as his journey. The name is Chisoma Yurinda. Please do stay with us. All right, so like I mentioned, we have James Tambula, a contemporary visual artist in the building. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I am good.
Thank you.
Welcome to Art Bit.
Okay, thank you.
All right, ndimauza ntuguri you are a contemporary visual artist ena kachizungu contemporary kumwina kangoti balalisa pang'ono. I just want you to describe what is it that you do ungoti forokozera bwino momveka bwino kuti iweyo as a contemporary visual artist kwenikweni matani.
Okay, basically, as a contemporary artist, what happens is you portray things which are either from the past, the present, and the future. Basically, we are different kind of artists. Some are realists who do realism. They take things as they are. But for us, we do a bit of abstract in a form of being present, but also it means it has to be relevant even in the future.
In the future,
So basically, we are a bit futuristic in a way. So we combine future and present and future. Yes, basically that's
all
that.
right.
Sure.
Sounds amazing. When did you start visual art? Kujambula kumene kukaya kupenta. When did you realize that this is something that you can actually do?
Okay, growing up, I realized, so many people were telling me, you are talented. When I was in primary school, the people whom I grew up with, we went to school together with, there was no me as someone who loved drawing.
Yeah.
So even in class, when they wanted something, the teacher wanted something like a map on the board or a diagram, a figure. Can someone, do this for me?
Yeah.
Everyone, James, like that. So basically, growing up, I knew that this is my thing.
Yeah.
And now I was being inspired by people like Victor Kasinja, the late, Brian Hala, and then I kept on practicing until I went to G Secondary School, where also my teacher taught me. We had an art as a lesson. Yeah, that was Mr. Lubia. So graduating from secondary school, I still pursued it until we are now. Sure.
All right. So from secondary school, did you had to go to school ya art yomwina kuti ukaipange sharpen, or it was just with practice and it got better with time?
Okay. I just kept on practicing because after secondary school, I also did graphic designing as a profession. And then even right now, I'm still working as a graphic designer, but I have been practicing my whole life. And then in 2016 is when I went to South Africa to this organization which they call Living Artists Emporium. This is where they help upcoming artists to become professional artists. So basically there they only focus on contemporary art. So I stayed there for some 2 years, and then I had to come back to Malawi in 2018. So since then I've never looked back. I'm pushing this to the limit.
Yes.
Sure.
All right. Amazing.
Sure.
So you've been in the arts industry, I think, for over 10 years now. We can say over 10 years. How has your experience been like, the ups and the lows, all that combined? How has the journey been like so far?
Okay, it's been an exciting journey. It's limitless in that, you can grow up to 80 years old, still doing the same thing.
Yeah.
Sharpening your skill.
Yes.
And meeting different people. You're making your money, and then you're doing something which you love. And it's like a purpose.
Yes.
You found your purpose in life. So once you've got a purpose in life, there's nothing which can derail you from that.
True.
So basically, I can say the most exciting part of it is that you do what you love, mostly. And you get to meet, different people, celebrities, high-profile people. And you work with, people of diverse,
cultures and societies.
Yeah. And you get to travel,
a lot.
And your work is always everywhere in the world. And then also it's like we bring in forex to the country as well.
Yeah.
So basically we're also contributing to the economy of this country. So we need to look at art as a business,
True.
not just as a hobby or something. I think our culture is also, beginning to
It's beginning to embrace art
that.
as a big deal
You
now.
see, it's even something which we can use to help with the tourism of this country. So the only problem which I've faced as an artist is maybe the short for the lack of materials in this country, because we're limited, because we have to use what we can find locally. But as I said, that is big.
Yeah.
So we just need to open up, and then more the people who bring in things to sell in this country, who import things, they also have to incorporate that fact that there's these things which are needed by the artists.
Yeah.
So together we can grow this industry.
Yeah.
Sure.
So it's collaboration efforts that
Exactly.
everybody has to put in the industry itself. Speaking of materials, something that is really important. For the type of an artist that you are, if you say you want to start working on a piece from scratch, I just want you to give me a picture. What do you need? What do you use exactly?
Okay, for me, because I'm not into fabrications and sculpting, I'm just into visual art. I need a canvas.
Okay,
and
that's like a blank space.
a blank canvas.
Yeah.
And I for holding the canvas.
The canvas, yeah.
And then I use acrylic. I also use oils.
Those are types of paints.
The types of paints.
Yeah.
Of course, sometimes you also need a pencil for the sketch, and also maybe you need some other, because sometimes you use it. You do it as a mixed media, whereby you also put some things for texture. So you add some things there. So you need also maybe wood glue, things like those. But some spray paints. Anything you need to make your artwork, stand out from the rest.
Yeah.
Sure.
All right. Exactly. Do you remember, Wina, that one piece that you're like, hey, Gomano? You look back and you're like, hey, Gomano. That artwork was definitely and you look back and you're like, hey, I look back to that piece and I'm like so proud of myself.
Okay, there was an artwork back in South Africa. I was challenged by the instructor there because I was working on a boy. I was using papers as a collage.
Yeah.
So the guy said, no, you know what, this one cannot sell. People don't want to have kids in their houses.
Yeah.
They would rather have their own kid, a portrait of their own kid.
Yes, true.
So basically,
not just a random kid.
So I was like, okay, fine. What do you want me to do? Anything you want, I can do it. So he said, you know what, think of a grown woman, an African woman, then you can do that reference, and then let's see how it comes out.
Yeah.
So I challenged him. I told him what? I'll use two colors. I'll use purple and black.
Yes.
Maybe with white.
Yes.
So everyone was just watching, because we were in a studio whereby you had different artists.
Different artists, yeah.
So everyone was just like, you cannot do this one. And I challenged them. And I started sketching. And then, putting the colors there. And it was shaping up, and everyone was just amazed. Like, I said, wow.
Wow, how
yeah. And even myself, I could feel myself that it wasn't me who was doing that. I felt it was God.
Yeah?
Because he just uses us to,
deliver some work, yeah.
So everyone is just given a portion of his own to
talent and skill, yeah.
Yeah, so that one, that was the one. Sure.
Amazing. In Malawi, Panoba, there are a number of visual artists. Is there some sort of collaboration or an association that just sort of brings the community together? Because obviously your community is not as big as would say musicians.
Exactly.
But is there an association that brings you guys together once in a while? Kupanga na shabeni, kupanga share manotes in this hotel.
Yeah, we've got a Visual Association of Malawi, which is also taking care of the welfare of other artists.
Yes.
You know, and we also got Lilongwe Art Association. Okay, basically what we do is during the exhibitions we also meet. But then also there are some small meetings which we have, and going forward we want to be having those workshops whereby even young kids
Can
or
come and
even other people who are
yeah.
not artists who are interested in art can
yes.
also come in, and then also we can even help them. So basically, mostly for now, it's the Visual Association of Malawi. Yeah, sure.
All right. No, at least there is that association. You definitely need each other's
we
support.
just need to bring it out there,
eh.
like the others are doing. As you said, there's music association.
Yes, film
Yeah.
association.
Next
yeah.
time, maybe we can also even have Kosoma.
Yes.
You know,
Visual arts.
visual arts. Maybe some guys will go out with their own checks there. You know,
We're definitely
Sure.
looking forward to that day.
Great.
Yeah, speaking of artists coming together, I understand there's this event coming up, the Heart Festival.
Yes.
A lot of artists coming together, and you are a part of it.
Exactly.
I just want to hear from you what your involvement is looking like with the festival itself, as well as the things that you're looking forward to at the festival.
Well, first of all, this is a good opportunity for artists in Malawi because it's an international event.
Yes.
And we are collaborating with other, artists like musicians, performers. So basically, for me, it's a good opportunity because I'll showcase my talent, and then also it will even bring me up there.
Yes.
Will get known by many people.
A lot of people.
So
yeah.
basically, it's an opportunity for the showcasing itself, and then also maybe for business, because maybe people will buy there.
Yeah,
And
true.
then it means it's money for me. Okay, my work is out there. It means it's marketing for me.
Definitely.
So definitely, it's also an opportunity for collaboration, and also meeting other artists, and then also you meet other professionals. Maybe you get to meet business people, organizations. Maybe they need some commissions for their offices, buildings,
Yes,
homes.
yes.
So definitely it's a big opportunity.
A big
for me.
opportunity.
Yes.
We have a number of festivals like this that involve visual artists that we can literally count, and Heart Festival is coming in just as an addition to that, which is quite remarkable and nice. Maybe I would like to hear from you as an artist, the importance of having my event in Ngaramino. Already I'm now every week. What impact is there? What gaps are there that you think within my festivals in Ngaramino can fill in and help you guys to even be better and bigger and grow?
Okay, these are good and they are timely because you can see we don't have much galleries in Malawi.
Yeah, true. You can literally count with our fingers.
Even in Longwe here, we just know of
Kaliso, yeah.
Another one at Gateway Mode.
Yeah.
Yeah. So basically, it's a good platform for us.
Yes.
And we need more of this. Because if we can have if we can have this event again next year,
yes,
it will be much better.
Better and
because
bigger, yeah.
Better and bigger, and then also you are involving more stakeholders, so it means more sponsors.
Yes.
Okay, so I can say the gaps are there, in that I've seen most events are happening in Lilongwe, but also we need some to happen maybe in Branta,
Zomba,
Zuzu.
Yes.
And also maybe if we could also have something maybe at the lakes, because now it would be more international.
Because now that's where the tourists that's where the money is.
Exactly. So if you could do something deliberate, like Hasfest is now at Likoma.
Yes.
You'd invite even tourists from abroad.
Yes, true.
So basically it would be intentional, this one is. Because it's not like just supporting the artists,
yes,
but also the country as a whole.
As a whole, yes, true.
So that way people will just be looking forward to this event, but also to see Malawi as a whole. So yeah, I think with time, things are getting better.
All right, James, as we're wrapping up our chat There are a lot of young people. Some might not even be young. They're just up and coming artists. They're trying to get better. They're trying to figure things out. Maybe if they hear something from you, an established artist who's been there, done that. Words of encouragement to these people. What do you have to say to these people?
Okay, to the people out there, I'd say don't limit yourself and keep on believing in yourself. Everyone was made for a reason.
Yes.
So basically, it's about your own conviction. If you believe in yourself, then you can do it.
Yes.
But mostly, it's about practice. Some are self-taught, and then some have to go to school.
Yeah.
But everyone can do it.
At the end of the day,
it
doesn't matter how you get there. We have to get there.
That's why they say, hard work beats talent. So we just have to work hard. And then we get exposure. Once we get exposed, maybe you can hit your breakthrough.
Yes.
And then you're gone.
You never know.
Exactly.
All right, James, thank you so much for coming to the show.
It's been a pleasure.
And that's all we had time for in this edition of The Art Bit. Today we were having a chat with a contemporary visual artist. His name is James Tambula. Many thanks to you for being there. Make a day with us every Tuesday from 6 p.m. because that's when Art Bit comes to your screens. The name is Yisomo Nyorenda. Until next time, stay creative.